Hey, beautiful family, how you doing? It's Mutwana here. So you FaceTime. I know a lot of you are coming back, the new ones. If you have not yet subscribed, go to subscribe. Let's get started. So look, this is easy, way easy. So we touch more little logarithm, okay? So look, just quickly, because I always like to explain to you so you can understand what is happening. If somebody tell you log, let's say x, this is log x, and let's say t. T is the base. The one at the bottom is the base, and this will call. So you're gonna how you call you say log x under base t. So something here called exponential rule. Let me explain to you exponential rule. What is exponential rule? Exponential rule you apply only when you have a log one side. Like for example, if somebody give you log, let's say 2x equal to let's say 1. Solve the value of x, or let's say 0. So you only apply exponential. See, exponential only when there's an equal sign and there's a log one side, and other side must be a number. I want to keep it clear. There's a log one side, there's an equal sign, and other side is just a number. So for this case, I want see log one side. So what we're gonna do if there is no base mathematical in the log. So do you have a base here? Oh, there's no base in Twana. So if there's no base, you assume base is 10. It's not you assume, it's under base 10 if there's no base. So exponential rule, what you do, you push this. You see this number here, you push it to the right. So it's going to become, when you push it to the right, it's going to come here, it's going to become 10. And this number, which is here, is going to go to the top. You push it to the right, it's going to come here. And this number is going to go to the top. And here, write what you have here, which is 2x. And the log disappear. Log is going to disappear. So then you have 2x equal to 10 power 0. Any number power 0 equal to 1. 10 power 0 equal to 1. You can plug in the calculator, you see. You have 2x. Any number power 0 equal to 1. You want me to prove to you quick? Just in case, oh man, I don't know how. Okay, 10. Any number. If you look, let's say power 0. Look, power 0. Oh my God, really? So any number, like any number is funny, right? Look, 10 power 0. Oh my God. So you see, so any number power 0 equal to 1. We see this. So now we're gonna say for that case. So here for that case, 10 power 0 equal to 1. So 10 power 0 equal to 1. So divided by 2 and then divided by 2. This in this cancel. So the value of x equal to a half or 0.5 because 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. You see what I'm saying? So now for that case, so whenever you have a log one side, then you can apply what exponential rule. Just a little more example. So if somebody, for example, give you let's say log 2 and let's say x and give you a 5 and let's say here 2, let's say 2. Let's say solve the value of x. So it's a lot of ways you can do. Okay? Face, you cannot apply exponential rule if you have a number here before. So don't say, let me push, no. So face, you have to get rid of this number. How I'm going to get rid of this number means I'll divide by 2 or divide by 2. So this in this concept, 2 divided by 1 equal to 1 equal to log x under base 5. Now I can apply exponential rule. So I'm going to apply exponential rule. We know how we can go about it. So we push this 5 to the left. When you push this to the left, it's going to be 5. My apologies, sorry. When you push to the left, this is going to become what? It's going to become 5. It's going to become 5. Because it's going to come here 5, and this is going to become power because it's going to come here, it's going to become 5. And this one is going to become power equal to, here we only left with the x, and log disappear. So x equal to 5 power 1, but 5 power 1 equal to 5. So finally, x equal to 1. Because it's going to be x equal to 5 power 1. 5 power 1 equal to 5. So x equal to 5. So just one more example. Then we go to the question. So that's how you apply exponential rule. Okay, somebody give you this, for example. Okay, for instance, okay, say 3 log 3 log just a second. Okay, just a minute. I'm trying to do something here. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay, just a second. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do this. So first and foremost, I have to get rid of this number because you cannot apply exponential where there's a number. Oh, something's not visible. My apology, family. Okay, so let me just push a little bit to the left because it's just kind of not visible. My apologies, my bad. Okay, we have 75 equal to 3 log x squared, and then here they say 2. So first I have to get rid of the 3. So divided by 3, this and this cancel. So 75 divided by 3 equal to 25 equal to log x squared base 2. Oh, under base 2. Can you apply exponential? Oh yeah, you can apply because you know why? Because you have a log one side and this side there's a number. So we want to push this number here. It's going to become 2 power 5. So this is going to come here. It's going to become 2. And this 25 is going to become as a power equal x squared. See what I'm saying? It's going to become what? X squared. So what we're going to do now, we're going to square it throughout. So let me just do this. Oh, sorry. So 2 power 25. So it's 2 power 25 equal to x squared. So you're going to square it and you're going to square it. This and this cancel. So value of x, make a space here. X, this and this cancel. So x equal to square root of 2 power 25. That's the value of x. Okay, so now we can go to this question here to get to us. How we can do it is way easy. Can you apply exponential? Oh yes, we can. You know why? Because we have a log on one side. So we can push this b here. What do they want first? We gotta read the question. If the graph of, so just by looking quickly on this exponential, pass it through the point, mean this is x and this is y. The value of b is, oh, so it's my option. Either I can plug in now, I can plug later. Let me plug in now. This is the value of x. So what is x? X equal to 8 and y equal to 2. So I'm going to say 2 equal log x equal to 8 base, our base equal to b. So when I get the value, can you apply exponential? Oh yes, you can do that. So how you do? Oh, since there's a log one side, I can push this to the left. So it's going to become b squared equal to 8, and this log is going to disappear. So what we're going to do here, we're going to square root both sides. So square root on the left and square root on the right. This and this is going to cancel. So b equal, if you plug this in the calculator, it's going to give you 8. Or I can just show you what is 8. 8 means 4 times 2 square root. But you can separate the root. You can say, if somebody's in mathematics, if somebody give you x and y in the same square root, this is the same square root of x and square root of y. So I can simply say this is square root of 4 and square root of 2. Separate is acceptable. So square root of 80 meaning square root of 4 and square root of 2. Acceptable. Square root of 4, square root of 2. Okay, so when you square root this, square root of 4 equal to 2, but a 2 you cannot square root. So this is a final answer. If we don't use a calculator, but if you want to use a calculator, you can plug it and give your answer as a decimal. But I can just leave the way it is. If there's a multiple choice, then this could be my answer. But if it's not, and then I'm going to have to plug in a calculator and get the answer. But if there's an option, that could be my option. But if there's no, you can plug in the calculator, say square root of 80. Come right here, say square root of 8. C is going to give us, 2 square root of 2. If you want, you can say decimal, which is 2.83, because we can approximate it in one decimal place. My apology. One decimal place, because always okay, so 28284. 28284. So answer here could be, say 2.8284. If they say 2 decimal place, okay, this could be my answer, but if in decimal, you always cut at the second decimal place, means I'm gonna up here and they look this number here. If this number either is 5 or more than 5, is gonna change this. This gonna become 3. But if it's, let's say, 3, 4, 2, this number here, and then it's not gonna have any effect. So our final answer could be 2.82 if this number was 4, 3, 2, 1. But for this case, is 5 or more than 5. So then our final answer must be, you change this by adding 1. So finally 2.83 if they ask in decimal. But for this case now, we just tap here. So that's how we do it. Look here, man. some of you might be new to this program, so make sure you come right here, subscribe, man, because this program is very, very important. And I got a lot of questions from students from KwaZulu-Natal, students from Ghana, Nigeria. You know, there's a boy whose name is, there's a brother, I'll call him brother. You know, he sent a message all the way from the place in Nigeria called Abuja. Say, I'm trying to look. I enjoy your channel. I'm watching you. You help me a lot for my program for my school. So please keep going, brother. Keep going. Easy. And I appreciate it. I love it. Without forgetting my brother and sister from South Africa, all the way from KwaZulu-Natal. And I got a lot of messages from KwaZulu-Natal, like I said. KwaZulu-Natal, also from Alabama, Mississippi, and brother and sister from New Jersey. They say, we're trying to keep on going, my brother. You make us proud here. Come on, man. You know, there's a one student also come from Morocco. He said, hey, my man, don't stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I love it. And I'm not going to stop. Thanks a lot. If you're from India, you from United Kingdom, United States of America, you know, Australia, you can just send me a shout out. Let me know, and then I'm going to send a shout out to you. Thanks a lot, man, for your time. I appreciate peace and love. I'm out.